Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dave Heroic. Today I want to share with you the journey of my YouTube channel as a YouTuber. I've been on YouTube for the past you know I will say 5 years now, because I was new to YouTube around 2020. During the lockdown period, because I'm a freelancer on Fiverr, I run a freelancing service of different services as a freelancer. So I got to know about YouTube around uh, lockdown period, which is the 2020 period, COVID-19 period. So I heard about YouTube then. So I started the journey because I help channels to get monetized. That was the service I was rendering as a freelancer on Fiverr back then. So I got to understand about YouTube, and I pick interest in YouTube as well during those period of monetizing for other people as well. I got monetized in a, let me say, an unlawful way, or let me say in a using some tricks, the same tricks I use for my clients. So it's the same thing I did for mine as well. So I got monetized around 2021, January of 2021. So but got so good, my videos are not picking up. My channel is down. I was earning in cents, so I was not getting much result on my channel because of I run the monetization myself, so which I know that, yeah, the result from this monetization will not be much more mouth-watering, because I know what I did on my channel back then. So fast forward to 2023, I was demonetized courtesy of a video I posted on my channel. So from Reels. So this is why you have to be careful as a YouTuber, especially someone that has been monetized. Posting of people's contents on your channel will injure your channel, will get you demonetized if you are not careful about it. I think I have quite some videos, a lot of videos, like probably almost 10 videos that were copyrighted that I posted on my channel. So this led to my demonetization around October 2023. So around October 2023, so I lose interest in YouTube, because I was thinking this is not my calling, this is not something, but I definitely have the passion for it. I have the interest in earning money on YouTube, because we all know that people are here on YouTube to earn money. Yeah. So I will be sharing with you my channel so far. So fast forward back to 2025, which is this January. But before this January, before I got monetized again this January, so I was told I can reapply for my monetization again around January 2024. January 2024, I can reapply, but I didn't meet up the threshold of the 4K watch time, so I was not monetized around that January. So but I kept on going, posting. I removed all the videos that are copyrighted on my channel, so because that was what I was told by the YouTube support team, to remove all the copyrighted videos on my channel if I want to reapply and I want to be approved again. So this is what I did. So I removed all the videos, and I was left with only my videos on my channel. So I started again. So but the flow was not going, not until I come across a channel called Vibe with Sonia. So she was the one that I energy match with my, so she encouraged me of getting monetized again. So I started again. So around October, I think September, I posted a video on my channel about how to activate Windows, how to activate PC Windows 10 verse 11 to for free, yeah, for free, so that you can be able to get your videos for free, your Windows activation watermark to be removed. So that's the video I did, and the video skyrocketed. I didn't know that the video would go up to that extent. So because the first month it was not going well, the second month I didn't even check, not until the third month when I was receiving some comments on the video that the video was okay, that the video helped them, save them some USD. So that's when I noticed that this video has gone up, and the video got me my monetization back, which is the just only one video that I did that got me the monetization back. So I will show you the video I did that got me the monetization back. So and I will show you the analytics, the analytics of the video, the amount of views I got on the video, and also the watch time I got from the video. So I got monetized again this January. I got this monetized by December 26th of 2024. So my monetization was approved. Google AdSense approved my video, my AdSense around January 3rd. So that's when my monetization started this year, 2025. So yeah, I'm gonna share you the progress of the video, and also in this channel I'll be sharing you the amount I earn, because people want to know what you earn on videos. So I will share you the amount I earn on the video as well, and likewise I will make sure that I share with you how I got, because Google AdSense has sent my Google code. So once I received my Google code, I'm gonna share it with you guys, the process of how I got the Google code, and challenges I face on the way. So this is what I'm gonna do and share you for those people that want to get monetized on YouTube as well, so that I can tell you that this thing is definitely quite what you can do, and you have to just build your passion for it, and also make it your daily routine, daily job activities. So thank you for watching. So stay tuned, and while I share you the analytics of the video as well.